Hi, in this tutorial I continue with more options of Align and Distribute tool. Something I missed in the last tutorial in this area here, Align, is this option treat selection as group. And this can be a little bit tricky to figure out on your own because it only works when you're relative to page or a drawing. Any other options here will give you unpredictable results. So let's select these objects and turn this on. Select page, zoom out, and let's center these objects, this group of objects in the middle of the page. So you see how this works. Now if I undo that and turn this off, you see that I will center them, each one individually, in the middle of the page. So if you want to center them or align them using this option, treat selection as a group, you can do that, and this basically saves you the time to group these objects and then ungroup them. This is what this option does. Now in the next area here, distribute, let's zoom in. The first one here will distribute left edges equidistantly, which means that the distance between this edge and this edge will equal the distance between this edge and this edge. So let me select this option here, make this the last selected, and click. The other one here will distribute centers equidistantly horizontally. Next one will distribute right edges. Next one here will make horizontal gaps between objects equal. So these gaps here, this white area equals this one. Now the next option here, let's move to these objects, will allow you to distribute top edges equidistantly. So let's select these. You see how this works. This will distribute centers. This one will distribute bottom edges. This one will make the vertical gaps between objects equal. Now these two here work with text objects. So the first one, let's move to the text here and select it. Click on this and you see right now the distance between this and this and this and this is equal. The other one here will distribute baselines of text vertically. So let's move these something like that and click on this option and you see how this works. Now let's select all these objects and use this option here, which will randomize centers in both dimensions. And you see we get completely random results every time we click here. Now the next one here will unclump objects, try to equalize edge to edge distances. This means that this edge here of the object to this edge, the distance will equal the distance between this edge and this one to this one. This is a little bit difficult to see, but I'll try to demonstrate it. Select these objects and use this option, and now this try to equalize the distance between this edge and this edge and this edge and this edge. Now there are more options here to discuss. Sometimes we can even align nodes here. They appear in certain situations, but I will continue with the rest of the options in the next tutorial, which probably be the final part of this Align and Distribute tool. So that's it. Bye for now.